Today I'm going to be making a chocolate Nutella mug cake, and here are the ingredients that we need. 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 3 tablespoons of milk, 2 tablespoons of oil, 3 tablespoons of granulated sugar, 1 egg, 3 tablespoons of Nutella, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, a half a teaspoon of vanilla, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. So those are the ingredients, so let's get started. I'm going to get my egg in there, and all of my sugar, and then my vegetable oil. I'm going to grab my mixer and just start blending that up. You can use a whisk or a fork, or what you can also do is mix this up in a bowl first. I'm going to get my vanilla in there as well, my baking powder. I'm going to slow my mixer down, my cocoa powder, all of my milk, and then all of my flour, and our last ingredient, our Nutella. I'll just get all of that in here. Okay, grab my mixer again. Perfect. And now we are ready for the microwave. So I'm going to go pop this in the microwave about 2.5 minutes, and I'll be back. So that looks pretty impressive. That's my chocolate Nutella mug cake. I'm going to let this cool down, and then we'll just cut into it and see what it looks like inside. Let's just put a little bit of icing sugar on there. Oh, that looks great. So our Nutella mug cake has completely cooled down, and let's go in and see how it tastes. I'll just show you what it actually looks like, the texture of this. There we go. I'll have to taste this. Oh, that is really, really good, and you taste that really nice Nutella flavor in there. Oh, that is really, really good. I've just zoomed in just so you can see the actual inside of this cake, and you can see how nice this is. Look at the texture. Really, really nice. Beautiful cake. So that's it for this video. This is my Nutella chocolate mug cake. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you wish. I do appreciate it. That's it for this video, and I'll see you next time.